Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Bree if you are new here, and in today's video we are doing another palette throwback Thursday. Today's palette of the week is the Colourpop Truly Madly Deeply palette. I think this palette is so pretty. I love all the different options and all the different color combinations that you can get from this palette, especially considering it's only a 16 pan palette. You can get a lot of looks out of it. I think that this palette's so pretty. I love the way that this look turned out. So if you guys are interested in seeing me get this look, then just keep on watching. I feel like I don't even have to say it at this point, but I already primed my lids and then I went in with the shade Matter of Fact and set my brow bone. I'm going to go in with a fluffy brush and go into this top shade right here, Lay Low, and just put that in kind of like as a transition. Next up, I'm going to go in with the shade Cutouts, and I'm honestly kind of just going to put it everywhere. I have a plan. Next up, I'm going to go into the shade Poodle, and I'm going to start kind of building that up on my outer corner. Next up, with a tiny little fluffy brush, I'm going to go into Too Much and just build that up just the littlest tiniest bit on the outer corner just to give a little bit more depth. And then really quick back into Cutouts. I'm just going to make sure that everything is blended. And same with Lay Low and Matter of Fact. Last but not least, I'm going to go in with my pinky and go into Hungry Ghost and just put that just on like the inner, I don't know, like 1/6 of my eye. Alright, I'm going to jump off and toss on my base, and I will be back to do blush and my under eyes and highlight and all that good stuff. I'll be right back. Alright, so I got my base and my bronzer on, and as an aside, I just tried out a new foundation and concealer, and I'm actually really happy with how it turned out. I'm going to update you guys in a little bit in like a new products review kind of video. But I'm really happy with how it turns out. I have like a little bit of a situation happening right there, but it's from the concealer and the powder going over a little bit of glitter that I couldn't get off of my under eyes, so it's fine. But I'm going to keep trying those. I will let you guys know how I feel about those in the future. But let's go ahead and jump into the under eyes. I'm going to go in and very lightly put a little bit of Too Much, just a little bit of a line, and then blend it out with Cutouts and probably a little bit of Lay Low. Alright, and then for blush, I'm going to go in with a mix of Flower Beauty Peach Primrose and e.l.f. Primer Infused blush in Always Cheeky. And for highlight, I'm going to go in with the ABH Nicole Glow Kit, and I'm going to mix together a little bit of Daydream and Kitty Cat. Alright, so I'm going to jump off and finish up the rest of this face. I'll be back to show you guys what I put on my lips and the final look. Alright, so for my lips, I went in with my trusty lip liner duo, Wet n Wild Bear to Comet, and then Ulta Brick. And then I actually went in with a new lipstick today. This is the Milani Color Fetish lipstick, and this one is in the shade Lustful. First of all, the packaging is so incredibly stunning. I just got this like little shelf shaped like a moon that I have hanging up on my wall now, and I was like, it's not big enough to like put anything like big on it by any means. Like the shelf isn't much bigger than one of these like in height. So I was trying to figure out some cute things to put on the shelf, and I honestly think that a couple of these would look really, really cute on there. So packaging, 10 out of 10. It feels really, really good on my lips. It's a very thin formula, but it's hydrating. It feels good. It's definitely got more of like a lip balm-esque kind of texture to it. It's very soft. Like I said, it's very thin feeling. It's not like heavy or anything like that, and it feels good. It looks good. I'm a big fan, to be honest. I really like it. And this is the final look, and that is going to wrap up my palette Throwback Thursday with the Colourpop Truly Madly Deeply palette. I hope that I inspired you guys to pull this palette back out. I'm definitely inspired to continue to play with it. I love that there's just a lot that you can do with this palette, really. It's got cool tones, it's got warm tones. These duochromes right here are gorgeous. The glitters are so incredibly pretty. Everything about this palette is beautiful. So if you do recreate this look, please tag me. Or if you were just inspired to pull this palette back out, please tag me in that look too. I would love to see it. And that is going to wrap up today's video. Comment down below and tell me how you feel about pressed glitters in eyeshadows, because I know that's like a very debated subject in the beauty community. I would love to hear your guys' thoughts on that. Please subscribe if you have not already. It would mean the world to me. Like this video, ring the bell, do all the things. I hope that you guys have an awesome, awesome day, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye! Yeah.